Hi everybody, welcome back to another business analysis video. Yay! In today's video, I want to share a very important message. I have prepared a course content for you to prepare for your foundation certificate in business analysis. How exciting is that? So I'm delivering this course content on the Business Analyst School membership page. If you're looking to self-study and need some sort of help, some sort of guidance through on-demand videos to help you following the syllabus for the Foundation Certificate in Business Analysis by the BCS, I have prepared these various videos within that syllabus, and this is available on the membership space. So for today's video, I'm giving you a snip video of one part of the syllabus, which is the strategic context for business analysis. So let's get straight into it. So let's look at business analysis and the strategic context. But first of all, we need to understand that every organization needs some level of strategic, tactical, as well as business analysis. At the strategic level, the business needs to be figuring out what they should be doing. What should we be doing? Do we even want to do what we think we should be doing? And what changes do we need to make? At the tactical level, the organization needs to take the results from the strategic thinking about what we should be doing. They need to take the results from there and define the lower level requirements. That's the lower level details of a project. And this is where we get the requirements, the features, depending on the methodologies. It's really the backbone of business analysis. Now, at the operational level, all operational activities are generally done by everybody within the organization. So these are the day-to-day business activities that the business analyst or the organization also needs to consider. So for the purpose of today's topic, we're looking at business analysis and the strategic context. First of all, let's start with the definition of strategy. What exactly is strategy? So strategy generally looks at the organization as a whole. We have to understand the strategic context in order to help us clarify the environment within which the business operates. It also allows a business analyst to contribute positively to the organization's journey and through the application of business analysis services, okay? And this generally includes the ability of the business analyst to analyze and discuss strategic approaches and priorities, build credibility when discussing the organization with stakeholders. So it's the business analyst's responsibility to build those relationships in order to build credibility with the stakeholders. So what is strategy? Strategy generally just means the definition and scope of an organization over the long term. What are we doing over the long term? Where do we want to be over the next 5 years? So let's look at understanding the strategic context as a whole. So in order to understand this, there are several questions that needs to be asked, and these will provide the functional building blocks for strategic development. So the three main questions, these are the questions that we generally ask as business analysts. What is the organization's current state? What is the as-is? What are the as-is processes? What are we doing currently, right? Secondly, we need to understand what is the organization's desired target state. Where do we want to be? What is our to-be state, okay? And finally, what is the plan that the organization has to move from the current state to the target state, okay? This is also known as the strategic mission or the roadmap, also known as the strategic execution. What is our roadmap to reach our target goal for the next 5 years? So for the business analysis application within the strategic context, there are several techniques used for this analysis of the building blocks for understanding the strategic context, which is the analysis of the current state of the internal and external environment, defining the target state, and Finally, the performance measurement of the progress towards the target state, okay? Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that content covering the strategic context for business analysis. Within this topic, there are various other coverings, including the internal and external environmental analysis, such as PESTLE and VMOS, which I also cover within the course. Right now, to join the Business Analyst School membership, click the link in description box. Membership not only provides this course but various other courses and resources, including interview preparation, CV templates, and various other business analyst templates that will help you in your journey as a business analyst. So don't miss this opportunity to sign up and become a member. The current price is going at £30 monthly recurring charge. This is a once in a lifetime offer and you don't want to miss it, because I know that a lot of training providers charge between £750 to over £1,000 for exam preparation courses for business analysts. So you don't want to miss this once in a lifetime opportunity to invest in yourself, to invest in your journey as a business analyst. So as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this content. You never know who it might help. So that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.